Hi, I'm Ricardo, and today I'll be using AutoCAD to show you the different settings of the snapping tool. I'm going to use this drawing to show you all the different ways you can snap to an object. The snapping tool can be found down here, and if you click the little triangle next to it on the right hand side, you can then see all the points you can snap from and to. The first one we're going to go through is the endpoint. Now when this one is enabled, and you in a drawing command such as line, you will then be able to snap to the ends of lines or to the ends of arcs. The following one will be midpoint. With the midpoint, you can snap to the middle of lines, also to the middle point on arcs. The next one is going to be center. This one is going to work for round objects such as the circle and the ellipse, arches as well. So when you're drawing something, you can easily snap to the center of an arc, circle, or ellipse. The next one is going to be geometric center. This one only works with closed polylines. So whenever you've got a fully closed polyline, you can then quickly draw something from its geometric center. The next one is the node. The node is only so you can snap to point objects such as this one. The point object can be found here. So once you've got a point object or node object, you can then draw from it using the node snap. The next one is quadrant. This one is going to work again with round objects, so you can then draw from the quadrants of an arc, circle, or ellipse. Next, we've got intersection. That will be whenever two objects cross each other. So if we've got an object crossing another line, an arc, circle, or ellipse, you can then easily draw from that intersection. This one here is going to be slightly different because that one there is going to be apparent intersection. Now apparent intersection, different from this one, is when two objects cross each other but they're not actually crossing. They look like they're crossing from the top view, but they're actually at different heights. So whenever you got that, that's an apparent intersection, and that's how you can snap to it. Then we've got extension. Extension allows you to snap to the extension of an object. This line will be towards that way or this way. On an arc, it will be just basically continuing the circle this way. Next one, we've got insertion. Insertion, it's mainly for text and blocks. There are some other objects as well, but those are the main ones. So you should be able to snap to its justification point on the text. That's the insertion point on the text. And to the base point on the block. That will be its insertion point. Then we've got perpendicular. That allows you to make another object at a right angle against another one, 90 degrees, so perpendicular to it. Tangent, you can make lines or circles tangent to other circles. So we can make a line tangent to this one and to that one, from this one to that one, from this one to that one. Nearest, it will be a point that it will be anywhere in that object. It's just a random location, but it's on that object. We already talked about apparent intersection, and the last one will be parallel. So parallel, whenever you start your drawing somewhere, you can then make this one parallel to that one.